QuickBooks Error 15103. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Download updates as administrator. Step 1. Close QuickBooks Desktop. Step 2. Right-click on QuickBooks Desktop icon and select Run as administrator. Step 3. Select Yes to allow the app to make changes to your computer. Step 4. Now, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 5. Then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 6. In the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 7. If you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 8. When you're ready, go to Update Now, click on Get Updates, and QuickBooks will start downloading updates. Step 9. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK on the pop-up. Solution 2. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Close QuickBooks and open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2. If you don't have it, download and install it from. Step 3. In QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Program Problems. Step 4. Next, select Quick Fix My Program and it'll take some time to fix the issue. Step 5. Now, select Installation Issues, then click on QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tool. Step 6. Once done, open QuickBooks and try to download the latest tax table or update the QuickBooks desktop. Solution 3. Reinstall QuickBooks Desktop. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button, search Control Panel, and open it. Step 2. Select Programs and Features and locate the QuickBooks version you want to uninstall. Step 3. Right-click on the QuickBooks file and click on Uninstall/Change. Step 4. Once done, go to the official QuickBooks download page and download your version of QuickBooks. Step 5. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. Step 6. If the installation doesn't start automatically, select your install file from the desktop. Step 7. Select Next on the Install Shield wizard. Step 8. View the license agreement, then select Accept and Continue. Step 9. Next, enter the license and product number and click Next. Step 10. Select Express as the installation type and click Next. Step 11. In the Ready to Install window, click on Install to proceed with the installation process. Step 12. Once the installation is complete, click on Open QuickBooks. Step 13. When you're prompted to reboot your computer, click OK. Step 14. Then click on Begin Activation, and you're all set. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.